I was actually gonna say that a funny point is, like, you know, back when I was
take care of yourselves. Mike out.
What is it called? New, right, to Twitch and things like that. I was like super worried about, you know, getting harassed and shit like that. You know, it sucks. It's not great, you know. But then I got fucking doxxed and swatted one time. I did. I got doxxed and swatted. And I moved, too. I actually moved because of it.
But we could all use more ways to say.
Shit just doesn't scare me anymore, you know? These people, you know, who do this shit, it's just, I don't know. It just doesn't have an effect on me. Now it's just like, it's a little annoying, I guess.
I don't know much about Edgar Allan Poe.
You know, it's like a little annoying.
Yeah, that's good, that's good. He wrote some fun yarns, a gloomy fella, didn't know.
Are we good? If I blocked anybody on accident, right, when I was,
he's a cool guy.
when I was going through, just, you know, clapping people real quick,
I didn't realize that a few years ago. I was like,
just let me know. Just hit me up in like the,
They did not name that.
just hit me up in like the, you know, unban request. I'll happily get you.
Holy shit, I just thought they like Raven. Raven's a scary bird.
It is.
I mean, yeah. What's the website that they do it on? What's the other streaming platform? There is another streaming platform.
Looks the part.
Yeah.
I don't know you. I'm just.
What you're doing right now.
I'm just gonna assume. Just hit me up in the thing if you have an actual problem.
I don't hate to hear it.
Hello, Kaya. How you doing? Hope you're good. You know, shit happens. I got banned in Polly's channel by her mod, and Polly was in favor of unbanning me and got overruled by her mod. Is that even a thing? I don't know if I would allow that to happen. You know, like getting overruled by a mod. That sounds like a terrible idea.
How do you get over that?
Presumed Godfather.
You know, they're in the Discord. Of course they are.
That, right? What year is it?
This is 1809, 1809.
I got other stuff to worry
I actually
about.
tuned up my Discord too. So that's good to know.
We'll pick the Godfather, don't worry about it. Uh-oh, we're dead now.
In 1826, Paul enrolled at the University of Virginia, where he was an excellent student. Though John Allen was a wealthy tobacco merchant, he was also a tightwad who sent Poe to school with less than a third of the money needed. Trying to make up for the shortfall,
They're so
Poe
cute.
started gambling.
You guys are so
As you might
cute.
expect, this strategy didn't quite pay off, and by the end of his first term,
But how are you guys doing, though? I'm actually curious. How are you guys
I think
doing?
it's okay that John Allen wasn't just handing them piles.
I gotta be honest, I was more nervous to talk about the Ukraine stuff than I was,
Strong.
yeah, what's it
I mean, you know, get them out there, get working.
You want
get them
you
burning
moved
their
on?
furniture.
I
I
believe
agree.
that,
Teach
but
them
alright.
lessons.
Sure.
The experience of losing both of his parents probably didn't make him strong enough.
I could walk back on some of this. Okay.
At this time, Allen was actually angry at the young student for gambling, while Poe was likewise upset at his godfather for refusing to contribute more to his education. With no other options, Poe was forced to drop out of school. Thus began a tumultuous time in Poe's life. Upon returning to Richmond, Poe discovered his fiancée, Alexander Shelton, engaged to another man. Despairing, Poe moved to Boston and enlisted in the U.S. Army to support himself in his right. His godfather, however, then bought Poe's way out of the military, which was apparently something you could do.
Wow.
Poe then enrolled in West Point, only to be expelled.
What's poppin'?
months
Oh, not
later
much.
after
Discount
leaving
Seth. How you
himself
doing?
Absent from all drills and classes for a week. With nowhere to go.
It's what's his name? Like Dalton, right? Am I fucking his name up? That's his name, right? That's the guy that's been orchestrating these. I'm pretty sure anyway.
This guy's being followed by a dark cloud.
Yeah.
It just seems like.
What do you do when life throws curveballs at you?
I don't know. Have a nice cry.
You film a gaunt season of BuzzFeed Unsolved Supernatural.
I have a nice cry. I make BuzzFeed Unsolved. That's what I do.
Finally, Poe fell into the care of his Aunt Maria Clem and established some semblance of stability. Poe started to publish poems.
I mean, actually, you know
Around
what?
the
I can
time
do
we
this
moved
real
in
quick.
with his aunt,
You know what?
Poe also
This will be
began
way
publishing
easier.
short stories, one of which won a
just go
contest
here.
that grew his
Go
notoriety
setting.
and led to an editorial
Go to my
position at the
security.
Southern Literary Messenger in Richmond.
Gotta feel good,
And
right?
let's,
In a contest? If all this happened to me, my life is just
Let's go ahead and make it a little bit harder. Just for now.
I'd be like, back on top.
Still feels like the scales have not tipped. But
Yeah, but this is the beginning.
it is
you
the
know?
beginning. It's the beginning.
This is a little pebble on the scale.
It's true. Night's darkest before the dawn.
Poe's luck was finally turning around. In addition to his newfound
Wait, what I did?
Poe had fallen in love with a girl named Virginia. Grossly, Virginia was his cousin.
Big Mac,
Grossly,
no pickles, extra
Virginia was
special
half
sauce,
his
and
age.
Jimena,
Despite
quarter
these
pounder with
circumstances,
cheese,
Poe
extra
and
pickles,
Virginia
no
married
one.
in
Thanks,
Richmond
Dad.
in
You got
1835 when Poe was 27. and
Enjoy
Virginia
any two classics
was
for
13.
$6, like a Big Mac or quarter pounder with cheese for a limited